What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. I have no idea what's in this box. It likely was sent from the Pass-Around group, so this is a knife that was provided to me by the manufacturer. Before we get into that, last week was kind of an experiment for me and the channel. I had a whole bunch of discussion topics kind of building up that I wanted to do, and I've got no shortage of knives ready to be reviewed. So those are like always going to be around, but you guys seem to like the discussion videos and the weird stuff, and I like doing those, so I kind of wanted to see, hey, if I take a week to do some stuff like this, you know, are people going to enjoy it? And you guys seem to enjoy it. So I'm going to do more of that on this channel, but I'm still going to continuously review knives. I'm just trying to balance things so that I can give you guys the content that you want. Also, if you are subscribed to my channel currently and have been for a while and you're enjoying my content, if you like to, you can follow the link in the description and support me on Patreon for just $1. It would mean the world to me. If you haven't done so yet, Nick Shabaz's best new gear reviewer YouTuber contest is still going on, so you can follow that link in the description, make your way over to his channel, watch my video and the other 49 channels that have submitted videos to represent their channels, and you can fill out a form if you see necessary. That would also mean the world to me. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. By the way, PM2 is going to be a topic of discussion this week, and it's actually going to have its own video. If you guys look back through my channel, you'll find that the second video that I ever did was on the PM2. I think I called it PM2 Functionally Perfect or something like that. Now, that video, I didn't really stress the little tiny things that bothered me about it. I did a little bit, but you guys kind of, you know, in other videos, you could piece together what I actually think about the PM2, which is that there are little things that bothered me. I make it more about the handle and the appearance of it, but when I sat down and thought about it, I was like, what is it that really bothers me about the PM2? You know, what is really the issue with it? And I think I've figured it out. So this week, we're going to breathe new life into that PM2 because that PM2 is basically brand new and never gets carried. It serves as a size comparison on my channel and nothing else. And it's sad because it's one of the most popular folding knives on the planet. I think I figured out what the problem is, so I ordered some fun stuff for it. We're going to do that on camera, and then we're going to talk about the PM2, and I'm going to give it, hopefully, the justice that it deserves. As of this time right now, I have no idea if that's going to be positive or negative. We'll see. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box. Oh, wait, no, we can't use the PM2. We got to use this guy. We have rules on this channel. Make the cut, rip it open. It's exactly how you do that. Finesse maxed out on this channel. Do we have more than one in this? Are you serious? Is this going to be a surprise double knife unboxing? It is. There are two boxes here. Both of them say Nemesis Knives. Interesting. Okay. So let's go ahead and watch Metal Complex struggle to open a box. Surprise, he can't figure it out 100%. I don't want to break anything, so we're just going to keep... Oh, does it open this way? I don't know, guys. I don't want to break this box because it's going to go around to other reviewers. First thing we've got here... Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, right off the bat, big fan of the action. Feels incredibly smooth. Love the carbon fiber bolster look in combination with the G10. This is a very simple, very straightforward drop point flipper. Steel, I think I saw, we're looking at VG10, made in China. I am vaguely aware of this. I remember taking a look at it before it was sent out, before it started making its rounds. So that's interesting. Very cool. This is a brand new, to me, this is a brand new manufacturer that I'm not familiar with. Yeah. So here we go, guys. Well, you watched me struggle to open that box, like from this side. I didn't ruin it. It's okay. I'll just have to put it back together. But just like some other boxes that I've struggled with on my channel, this is all you got to do. You just got to open it up like this. So, sorry, I'm dumb. Sorry again, people are texting me. What do we have here? Another interesting, look at that. This is a lockback. Lockback thumb stud. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Man, okay. So this is super interesting. Just first impressions here. Oh, look at that. S35VN. First impressions here between the two knives. The VG10 one's cool, but this is very, very interesting to me. I cannot wait to play around with these, take a look, and of course, stop texting me, please. Please. Of course, there's going to be full reviews for each of these knives, but that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this short little unboxing. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other videos, I do, of course, have lots of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.